or JetBrains IDEs, which is the better choice in 2026. This is one of the biggest debates in development because both are powerful, but they take completely different approaches. Picking the wrong one could affect your speed, productivity, and even how you structure your projects. First, let's talk about Visual Studio Code. It's a lightweight, highly flexible editor used across almost every programming language. With extensions, it can handle web development, Python, Java, DevOps, and more. It's fast, customizable, and widely supported, making it a go-to a tool for developers who want control over the setup. Now let's look at JetBrains. These are full features IDE built for specific languages. They come with deep code intelligence, advanced refactoring, built-in testing tools, debugging, and framework support all of the box. The biggest difference is a setup versus depth. VS Code focuses on flexibility, speed, and multi-language support. JetBrains IDE is focused on deep language, intelligence, and all-in-one professional tooling. So which one is better? If you want a lightweight, customizable editor that works across many languages, VS Code is the better choice. If you want powerful, language-specific tools that boost productivity in large projects, JetBrains IDEs are the stronger option. For most developers, VS Code wins on versatility, while JetBrains wins on deep professional workflow efficiency. VS Code versus JetBrains. Now you know which one fits your development style in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more developer tools comparisons just like this.